Hello, girls. So today I'll be going over criterion A and making sure we finalize it today. I'll focus the explanation on the last strand, which you will be working on today. So this is our design folder. We explained and justified the need by answering those two questions. We also created a research plan that includes everything that needs to be researched before you start designing. And also you completed the homework, the case studies homework as a separate assignment on Teams. You also interviewed your partner to know what they like. That was the interview questions. Now, the part that we'll be working on today is the design brief. So it says, design and create a wall-mounted clock made out of plastic. So you are limited to using plastic. You will be provided with one clock mechanism. The clock mechanism is the black piece that is put behind the clock to make it actually work, where you place the battery, and two plastic foam sheets only. So you will be provided with one clock mechanism and two plastic foam sheets only. Those plastic foam sheets, I'll show you a picture of. Each of them has a limited size, which is 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 0.2 centimeters. What's the 0.2? It's the thickness of it, okay? The thickness of the plastic sheet is 0.2 centimeters, yani 2 millimeters, okay? So, and how many pieces do you get? 2 pieces only, all right? Now, so you're limited to these materials, okay? Can you use more than one clock mechanism? No, you can't. Can you use more than 2 plastic foam sheets? You also cannot. All right. Now, what should it include? The design brief, as you all know, must be in a form of a brief paragraph. But what should this paragraph include? It should include the following questions. What are you going to make? What is the design goal? What's the function of the thing that you will be designing and creating? Why are you going to make it? The second question. What are you going to do with it when you are done creating it? To whom are you going to make it? You need to discuss your target market. Who is it going to be for? You don't only mention the name, but you also must tell me the gender, the age. What are the limitations, major constraints? What are the things that you're limited to? And we've discussed it قبل شوي, the things that you're limited to. You cannot change it, okay? If you have any limitations, that's what you're limited to. That's your major constraints. And you use the word must. On what are you going to evaluate your product? The criteria for evaluation. Here you use the word should. And you can discuss the things that should be in the clock in order to please your client. For example, you can be talking about the theme and style, maybe the colors, and so on. I hope everything's clear. I'll be with you on Teams to answer any questions if you have. Good luck.